Okay, so children, I'll have to complete the last topic of the market, that is called oligopoly. I have explained to you people about the three forms of market, that is perfect competition, where large number of producers and sellers selling homogeneous product and no seller can influence the price. Second is monopolistic competition, where there a market structure in which there are large number of sellers selling a commodity or a product which is somewhat differentiated from each other but are the perfect substitute, are the close substitute to each other. Third one, monopoly, a market structure where there exists only a single seller selling a product which has no close substitute. Now, अब तीनों मार्केट तुम पढ़ो, वहां पे नंबर ऑफ सेलर्स की डेफिनेशन, लाइक परफेक्ट कंपटीशन, टू मेनी सेलर्स. Monopolistic, number of sellers are large but not abnormally large. Monopoly, one seller. Now, what is oligopoly? Oligopoly is a market structure in which there exist few seller. ये few word अभी तक तुमने नहीं देखा तीनों market conditions में. So oligopoly is a market structure in which there exist a few seller. एंड यहाँ पे कोई कमोडिटी होमोजीनियस भी हो सकती है, कमोडिटी समवॉट डिफरेंशिएटेड भी हो सकती है. यहाँ पे नेचर ऑफ कमोडिटी इज नॉट द फैक्टर विच नीड टू बी कंसिडर्ड अंडर ओलिगोपोली मार्केट. व्हाट नीड टू बी कंसिडर्ड अंडर ओलिगोपोली मार्केट इज दिस, दैट द नंबर ऑफ सेलर्स आर फ्यू हैविंग इंटेंस कॉम्पिटिशन फ्रॉम ईच अदर. Intense competition is the most important element of oligopoly market. They have a neck to neck. जैसे monopolistic में large number of sellers में हमने क्या पढ़ा था, that number of sellers are so large that their share of total output in the market is very small. So whatever decision a firm take, it does not have any reaction from its rival firm. Just opposite in the oligopoly market, because number of sellers are few and having intense competition with each other. मतलब a seller take a decision of its product, whether it is price or the features, whatever he takes, it knows that he knows it very well that if he will do any change in his product, definitely his rival is also going to bring a change. So any change of the firm in the product under monopoly market bring a reaction, counter reaction from its rival firm. So too much competition, extreme level of competition, intense competition exists between a few firms in the oligopoly market. तो two things तुमको याद रखनी है oligopoly market में. पहली चीज कि ये market structure है जहां पे few sellers होते हैं. लाइक ऑटोमोबाइल का एग्जाम्पल लेना है तुमको, तो यू कैन टेक द ऑटोमोबाइल एग्जाम्पल एज टाटा मारुति हुंडई. ऑलराइट, दीज आर द companies who are producing four-wheelers and they are having neck-to-neck competition with each other. Toothpaste, Colgate, Pepsodent, they are the best example. Any change made in the product by toothpaste definitely brings a change in the product by Colgate. They have a neck-to-neck competition. So we are talking about that market where there exist a few sellers of a product having intense competition among them. So underline the meaning, children. Page number 176 in your book. It is the form of market structure in which there are few firms selling a product so that there is intense competition among them. I think you people have understood the meaning. Then we are going to do the features. What is the first feature? Intense competition. Now, how much you people have to underline? Just see. When there are very few producers in the industry, keen competition among them is bound to exist. Then, since there are only a few firms, each firm produces a large share of the product just opposite of the other market. क्योंकि यहाँ पे few sellers हैं, तो उनका contribution market में बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Their share in the total market is large. Then, each firm with only a few rival firm knows that it has significant market power to influence the market price. Okay, so each firm under oligopoly market, they know this, that their share in the total market is very large. So they have a right to influence the market price. But it also knows that the other firms in the industry also have such power. The number of firms is so small that any action by one firm is likely to affect the rival firm. Therefore, every firm keeps a close watch on the action of the rival firm. Till here, you people have to underline the first feature, and I think you people have understood. Second feature, interdependent. In oligopoly market, the number of firms are few, but they are interdepending on each other. Reason being, any change in the decision of one firm brings a change in the decision of his rival firm. So they are interdepending on each other. ना चाहते हुए भी उन लोग एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं. अगर एक कंपनी कोई चेंज लाती है, ऑटोमेटिकली दूसरी कंपनी चेंज लाएगी, क्योंकि उनका जो मार्केट में कंडीशन है वो है टू मच कंपटीशन. सो सी इंटरडिपेंडेंट. A very important feature of oligopoly is the interdependence of firm in respect of decision making. Interdependence किस में है? Decision making में. प्रोडक्ट या रॉ मटेरियल की बात नहीं हो रही है. किस में? दे आर इंटरडिपेंडिंग ऑन ईच अदर. दे आर इंटरडिपेंडिंग ऑन ईच अदर इन डिसीजन मेकिंग. फर्दर, the number of firm in oligopoly is so few that each firm is worried about how its rival will react to anything it does. The reason for this is that when the number of competitors is small, any change in price, output, product, etc. by one firm will affect the rival firm and will force them to retaliate by changing their price, output, product. अगर कोई भी firm थोड़ी सी भी change करेगा अपने price, output और product में, then definitely other firm will react and the other rival firm will also bring a change in the price, product and output. So they are interdepending on each other in decision making. Further underline. Therefore, while taking any decision, a firm has to take into account the impact of its decision on competing firms and reaction. Is it clear to all of you? Till here. Third feature, nature of the product. Under nature of the product, तुमको ये लिखना है कि under oligopoly market, nature of the product can either be homogeneous product or differentiated product. कुछ भी हो सकता है. उन लोग homogeneous product भी produce कर सकते हैं, उन लोग differentiated. So nature of the product is this. Underline. The firm under oligopoly may produce either homogeneous product or differentiated product. Accordingly, we may have oligopoly without product differentiation and oligopoly with product differentiation. Till here, you people have to write. Then fourth feature, like monopolistic competition में selling cost important था, oligopoly market में भी selling cost important है. Now underline. In view of intense competition and interdependence of firm under oligopoly, the firm compete with each other through various sales promotion measures like price cutting, discount, door-to-door campaign, advertisement, etc. Therefore, there is a great importance of selling cost and advertisement under oligopoly market. Is it clear? Then barrier to entry. Under oligopoly market में firms entry to the market is not allowed. Now see, the existence of oligopoly in the long run necessitates the existence of effective barrier to the entry of new firms to the industry. In the absence of these barriers to entry of new firms, the oligopoly may not retain its characteristics of few sellers in the long run. Many industries are dominated by few large firms in most of the modern economies because of such barriers to entry. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ फ्यू सेलर्स रहने चाहिए, इसीलिए बहुत ज्यादा एंट्रीज फॉर्म्स की अलाउड नहीं होती हैं ओलिगोपोली मार्केट में. Then sixth and the last important feature, then an oligopoly market have indeterminate demand curve. What kind of the demand curve they have? Indeterminate. Now underline. An important feature of oligopoly is that demand curve faced by an oligopoly is indeterminate. A demand curve shows the amount of product a firm can sell at various prices. Then उसके बाद नेक्स्ट तुमको लिखना है, an oligopoly cannot ignore the reaction of rival firm in view of the interdependence of firm. Any change in the price by one firm may result in change in the price by other firm. As a result, the demand curve faced by oligopolies keeps on shifting. कभी भी एक डिमांड कर्व नहीं रहती है ओलिगोपोली मार्केट में, हमेशा शिफ्ट होती रहती है, इसीलिए इसको बोलते हैं इनडिटर्मिनेंट डिमांड कर्व। क्योंकि अगर एनी चेंज by one firm brings a change by its rival firm, that is why the demand curve never remains the same, it keeps on shifting. And that is why an oligopoly firm has indeterminate demand curve, not the determinant demand curve. So we have completed oligopoly market, children. That I told you that oligopoly is a market structure in which there exist few sellers having intense competition among each other. So what is the first feature? Intense competition. What is the second feature? Interdependent on decision making. What is the third feature? Nature of the product, which may be homogeneous product or may be differentiated product. Fourth is, here also exists the importance of selling cost. Fifth, under oligopoly market there is a barrier, it is not allowed for the new firms to enter into the industry. Last one, indeterminate demand curve, क्योंकि a change in the decision by one firm brings a change in the decision by its rival firm. That is why their demand curve never remains the same, it keeps on shifting. Is it clear? Last topic of chapter number 9 is monopsony. Only meaning is required. Only meaning is required, children. Monopsony, only meaning is required. What is the meaning? What is monopsony market? Just opposite. A monopsony is a situation where there is a single buyer of the product who is not in competition with each other buyer for the product which it purchased, and in which the entry into the market by other buyer is impossible. एक चीज याद रखना, monopsony is the market structure where there exists one buyer and many sellers, just opposite than other market which you people have done. monopsony market में सिर्फ एक बायर होता है, दूसरे बायर्स की एंट्री अलाउड नहीं होती है monopsony market में. Only meaning of monopsony market is required. Okay, so today I have completed your syllabus of class 12th economics. Okay, and only the numericals of chapter 2 is left, that I am going to do it. I'm going to upload some of the numericals of chapter 2 in my tomorrow's video. Is it clear? So for today only this much. Thank you, children.